Okay, now we're going to take a look at this big Arctic King. I think this is a 10,000 BTU. Yeah. This is fairly new. It's from 2017. I don't know what this stuff is. Like some dried on crud on it. Pretty good shape, I think. Grill is in good shape. Panels are good, I think. Yeah, it just has a dent. Has a dent right there. That's not too bad. Well, hopefully it didn't hit the coil in there. I don't think this is from being dropped out of a window. You know, the dent would be bigger, I would think. Who knows? Anyway, let's see if it works. Oh duh, I gotta run the hairdryer. I forgot. I'll come right back. Okay, I just got it to come on. Yeah, it's feeling good so far. It's cold already. Yeah, it's cold up here. Wow, this is getting real cold. Wow. Alright, this definitely works. This is really cold. It's kind of painful to sit in front of it. Wow. Don't know what compressor is in here. It sounds good. Yeah, that dent obviously didn't damage anything. I don't know why people throw out stuff like this, you know? This is really, really, really cold. It's cold. It hurts to sit in front of it. Let's see. That's low, medium, high. That high is really strong. Yeah, so this definitely works. It works good. It's really dirty in here. Look at that. That's really nasty. The filter wasn't that dirty. I don't know how people manage to get stuff so dirty. This has got some mold in it. Yeah, this is pretty good. This works nice. So this is another one that's be a good resale item. Very easy to sell. I can try to pound this out with a piece of wood. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. That dent. Can straighten it out a little bit with a block of wood. Won't look perfect, but can make it look better. Anyway, there you go. That's an Arctic King 10,000 BTU. Works really good. This is kind of bent. Not broken. Alright, there you go.